students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. In this question, ABC is a triangle whose vertices are A 1, 4, B -2, -2 and C 4, -2. If AD is a median to BC, then find the length of AD. So we have a triangle ABC, A, B and C, and AD is a median on BC. So this is our D and AD is the median. So we are supposed to find the length of this median. So median, for median, one thing we know, it divides the opposite side. Median will divide this BC in equal halves. So these two lengths will be equal. That means D is a midpoint of BC. D is midpoint of BC. And using midpoint formula, we can calculate the coordinate of D because we know the coordinate of B and C. Now, if we have coordinate of D and coordinate of A, we can find the length AD, right? Using distance formula. So, first let's find the midpoint D. So, let's suppose D is some x, y, and midpoint formula we know for 2 points x1 and x1, y1 and x2, y2. It will be x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. So, where x1, y1 is our B coordinate and x2, y2 is our C coordinate. So, x1 will be -2 and 4. So, x1 is -2, x2 will be 4 divided by 2, and y1 is -2, y2 is -2. It will be -2 by 2. So, this will become 2 by 2, which is 1, and -2 -4 by 2 will become again -2. So, we have D, coordinate of D as 1, -2. So, we need length AD. So, AD, we will use distance formula between AD. The coordinate of A we know as, coordinate of A is given as 1, 4. Coordinate of A is given as 1, 4. And coordinate of D, just we found it is 1, -4. So, using distance formula here, it will be x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, right? So, root of 1 minus 1, 0 whole square plus -2 minus 4, which is -6 whole square. So, this will be equals to root of 36. Root 36 is equals to 6. So, our length AD is 6. So, length of our median is equals to 6. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.